Hello, Black Hawk Cougars. Mrs. Sutliff here. I want to quickly show you how you can get to the Digital Citizenship Lessons on Typing Agent. Make sure you're using Google Chrome. If you don't open up to Clever automatically, you can come over here to your top right corner and click on the C. If you don't see the C, you can try clicking on this puzzle piece and then selecting Clever down here. I'm going to log in with my badge. Then you will need to scroll down to find Typing Agent right here. And go into the digital citizenship. These are all the different lessons that are available to you on digital citizenship. Start with lesson 1, which is called Access. Watch the video. I'm going to pause the video. When you finish the video, this is what it looks like. So then click over here to go to the quiz. Answer the questions. After you finish the quiz, it will bring you back to this page here, and then you can go to the next lesson, lesson number 2. Before you go to lesson number 2, you should go back to Kickstand to complete a little quiz on Kickstand, and then you can continue with your digital citizenship lessons. That's it.